Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with another BODMAS question. We have this question from competitive exams and it says you need to find out the value of this thing. 37 times 90 divided by 666, right? So whenever you get this type of question, when you see that, you know what, there is a thing called 37 times 3. Whenever you see this thing in any question, you always come up to 111, okay? And anyways as well, you can see that 666 is equal to 6 times triple one. Okay. And the thing is, when you have board mass, you should know that in board mass we always solve division part first and then we come to multiplication, right? So this question I will write it like this: 37 times. I will solve this part first. 90 divided by 666, right? Now to solve this, what will I do? I will write 90. It can be written as what? It can be written as 3 times 30. And 666 can be written as 6 times 111. Right? Okay. So 6 times 5 you can cancel out. Right? 6 times 5 is what? 30. And this we get 15 here, and in the denominator we get 111. Right? 37 times 15, and I just told you that 37 times 3 is 111. So actually what is 111? It is 37 times 3, right? Now you can easily cancel out these things and you get the answer what? 5, right? So I hope you understood this. This was very easy question, but when we see it in the beginning, you find it hard. Some people find it hard to solve this thing, right? It's very easy. Try to always solve it like this way and try to break the question in factors. Okay. So you will easily become to a conclusion. Okay. So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And if you like to solve maths riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.